Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I am a relationship expert who once was in a long distance breakup recovery. And that is the topic of today's video. A user left a comment on our YouTube channel saying, long distance breakups, how to get her back. And that is my bread and butter, ladies and gentlemen, because I once was separated from my wife and we got back together at a distance. And so I really wanted to take a second to answer this comment personally on video. And the truth of the matter is that you have to take your time. When you're in a long distance relationship, you understand that sometimes you have to be patient because you can't see your significant other day in and day out. And I think that being at a distance with my wife throughout our relationship prepared me for the long distance breakup recovery. And you're prepared too, because the odds are that if you're facing a long distance breakup recovery, you also experience what it was like to be in a long distance relationship. And so being patient is key. And that will work in your favor because most of the mistakes that are made right after a breakup. And the fact that you're at a distance will enable you to avoid most of those common mistakes. And if you've already been needy, clingy, desperate, emailed and FaceTimed and WhatsApped and all of that, it's okay. At least you have the time and space now to heal and to let your significant other experience life without you, which is key too. You have to take a medium to long-term process or approach in order to quickly maximize your chances of success. Once you have regained your mojo, once you regain your sense of confidence and you are no longer desperate, we will seek to reestablish a communication platform and to rebuild an emotional connection with your significant other, but in a non-threatening way. Ideally, you would see each other face to face, perhaps through mutual friends, or perhaps because you know someone in the city where she lives, or perhaps you'll need to get creative. But if there's an opportunity for you to see this person face to face, I guarantee you that it'll be a lot easier to convey this new and improved you, to, touch on this connection that you share. Because most of the couples that I see that stay together despite being at a distance share a very, very profound and powerful bond. That's why you choose to stay together despite the fact that you're living in separate cities. And so being able to see this person in a non-threatening environment where you can start to be friends again and to touch on all of the things that link and connect you guys will definitely help you propel your breakup recovery and get to a different stage in the process. Obviously, if you can be intimate, you have to be intimate because that will solidify the fact that that connection is more than just a friendly connection. But I don't want you to obsess about that right now. Right now, I want you to work on being patient and being in the right mindset. And opportunities will surely come, even if you don't know when and how. As long as you're being patient, as long as you're in the right mindset, I guarantee you that opportunities will come because that's what happened to me. I did not know when I was going to connect with my ex again and how it was going to go. But because I did the work, because I was able to focus on my own personal growth, when the opportunity came knocking, I was ready. And it made a world of a difference. If you're forcing an opportunity before you're ready, it ain't going to work. But if you're seeking to be ready and to wait for that opportunity to come, everything will change. And that is the best piece of advice that I can give you if you are trying to win the heart of a woman that is not living in the same city or in the same country as you are. Don't despair. It is possible. Every year, hundreds of people are successful in doing so. And I was successful myself. And I would love to help. I would love to work with you personally on a one-to-one basis if you'd like. And all that you have to do is to click on the link below and book a private coaching session with me or with one of my colleagues in order to ensure that you maximize your chances of success. I'm happy for you. I think that you've watched the right video and that this will really empower you to approach this process the right way. So best of luck. Hopefully we will connect soon. And either way, keep watching videos and keep fighting the good fight. Take good care and see you soon.